A routine ferry crossing turned into a fight for survival. Passengers woke to smoke, then flames, and within minutes, they were leaping into the sea. Now, 5 people are confirmed dead, hundreds remain unaccounted for, and rescuers are racing against time. What happened aboard Indonesia's Mutiara Sentosa II may become one of the country's worst maritime disasters in years. It began as an ordinary crossing between 2 islands. By mid-morning, passengers were jumping into open water to survive. The Mutiara Sentosa II ferry was sailing from Surabaya to Makassar on August 2nd when fire broke out on board, somewhere between 6 and 7 in the morning. By Monday, August 3rd, at least 5 people were confirmed dead, and rescuers were still trying to work out how many remained unaccounted for. The ferry's manifest listed 271 people on board, including 39 crew. But officials say that number does not add up. More people were aboard than the paperwork shows, and authorities are now relying on accounts from survivors and worried families to piece together who is still missing. Nanang Sigit, who leads the Surabaya Search and Rescue Office, said,
"Mismatches between manifests and actual passenger numbers are common on Indonesian ferries, and they make rescue efforts harder."
Survivors described a fire that spread with terrifying speed. Ahmad Abdul Karim said the blaze appeared to start in a truck on the lower vehicle deck, one of 180 vehicles the ferry was carrying.
Fanned by the wind, the flames spread extremely quickly. In less than 30 minutes, everyone had been instructed to move to the bow of the ferry.
Another passenger, known by the single name Ajari, said many people had only just woken up when the fire took hold near the rear of the vessel.
The fire spread quickly to the middle of the vessel. There was no other option for us but to jump into the sea.
By August 3rd, 231 people had been rescued. Indonesian Navy ships and passing boats joined the search near Sapudi Island, roughly 35 kilometers off the coast. The country's Transport Minister Dudi Purwagandi said the government would review the ferry operator's safety record once the National Transportation Safety Committee completes its investigation into what caused the fire. The Mutiara Sentosa II was built in Japan in 1992 and sold to Indonesia in 2015. Built to carry up to 689 passengers on the Surabaya to Makassar route, a journey that normally takes around 40 hours. Ferry disasters are not new to Indonesia, an archipelago of more than 17,000 islands where sea travel remains a daily necessity and where weak safety enforcement is often blamed when tragedy strikes.
Monggo sebelah sana. Langsung monggo silakan. Barang-barang masuk ya. Iya enggak, ini barangnya biar di
Dia cuma bilang kapalnya terbakar, dan terakhir ini sempat dia bisa cek suara bilangnya sudah selamat, sudah naik kapal, sudah ada kapal dia naikin.
Oh, sudah dievakuasi.
Evakuasi gitu.
Mau kembali ke pelabuhan sini, Pak ya?
Pelabuhan sini ya.
Saya kontak terus begitu saya dapat informasi sudah nggak ada nggak aktif. Akhirnya saya telepon istrinya untuk memperjelas betul ada om saya di kapal itu. Ternyata memang betul ada di atas kapal itu.
Tapi sama omnya sendiri sampai sekarang belum bisa
Belum
berhubungan
bisa
ya?
dihubungi, belum bisa dihubungi.
Monggo sebelah sana. Langsung monggo silakan. Barang-barang masuk ya. Ya enggak, ini barangnya biar di.
Dia cuma bilang kapalnya terbakar, dan terakhir ini sempat dia bisa cek suara bilangnya sudah selamat, sudah naik kapal, sudah ada kapal dia naikin.
Oh, sudah dievakuasi.
Evakuasi gitu.
Mau kembali ke pelabuhan sini, Pak ya?
Pelabuhan sini ya.
kontak terus begitu saya dapat informasi sudah nggak ada nggak aktif. Akhirnya saya telepon istrinya untuk memperjelas betul ada om saya di kapal itu. Ternyata memang betul ada di atas kapal itu.
Tapi sama omnya sendiri sampai sekarang belum bisa
Belum
berhubungan ya?
bisa dihubungi.